Morning, guys. This is Dave. It's December 5th, 2021. Probably going to be about 75 today, which is really unusual. So I'm out and about trying to look at some travel trailers slash, I don't know. I'm kind of thinking about going off the grid. So this caught my eye. So thought I would show y'all what I'm looking at. So it's a Nomad by Stealth, and this is a 22FK. It is a toy hauler slash travel trailer, so slash what I call cargo. But anyway, I don't have the back down because they got it tie strapped up, but it's got this huge awning. It's got the solid steps. It's got, as you can tell, it's going to have a fridge and a water heater. It does have windows, and I do like that. Kind of gives the cargo trailer look, so you can go kind of stealth inside. It's going to be 17 feet of cargo area, and I wouldn't doubt if you couldn't pull your toy right up on top of those wheel wells if you needed more space. So I think it's 84 inches in between those wheel wells, 96 in the walls, 102 inch wide body. That is a bed that comes down. It's got these cool LED strips, if you can see. It does have speakers throughout. It's got a furnace. It does have AC. And it does have that beautiful galley up front. So think from it's 28.2, something in there, altogether 24 feet with the galley. So there's the television. It does have that right there is like a little locker area underneath the sink. There's the fridge, little mini fridge. So you can put your big ice chest or a 12-volt fridge back here. It's got a water heater. It's got a cooktop, and it's got voila. It's got a nice size sink. I don't know if I can get that or not without messing up my camera. Get your fingers out. I'm trying to talk to myself constantly. So microwave, and like I said, really cool lights. It's got a huge shower, really big, nice shower. You can be as tall as you want in that. And then like I said, a toilet. And it does have holding tanks. It's got like I think 46 gallon water tank, fresh water, and then it's got gray and black tanks. So beautiful, cool, really cool unit. You could you could make it how you want it inside if you wanted to just go stealth and have you a blank slate for a travel trailer. So back to the outside, regular RV door. Now the front is going to be very, I think, aerodynamic, and it does have 2 propane tanks, electric tongue jack, things loaded, so got to have some room inside this front area too. Now they have many models of these. This is the only one that I have been able to find close by. So outdoor shower, and it's got all the septic holes and all, all the gate valves and everything, and septic lines. So I mean, it's got a good look to it, man. It's a good looking rig. If you want something that looks good and it's functional, then I think Nomad by Stealth is something worth looking into. And like I said, they got all sorts of sizes and configurations and everything. So check this guy out. I'll put some more in the description below as I find out more on it myself. So this channel is about learning. I'm learning as you learn. so anyway, hit like, subscribe. I hope you like my channel. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate everybody, and hope everybody had a great holiday. Stay safe, and well, thanks.